Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi MAC address. A Media Access Control, or MAC, address is a unique identifier assigned to network interfaces for communications within a network segment. Think of it as your device's unique fingerprint on a local network. It's a 12-digit hexadecimal number, often seen in pairs separated by colons or hyphens, like 00, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E. This address is crucial for network communication and device identification. Finding your device's MAC address is straightforward across different operating systems. For Windows users, simply open the command prompt and type ipconfig/all to reveal your physical address. Mac users can find it in Network Preferences under the Wi-Fi section's Advanced Settings. On mobile devices, Android users can locate it in Wi-Fi settings under Advanced Options, while iOS users will find it in Settings, then General, and finally About, listed as Wi-Fi address. MAC addresses have several practical applications in network management and security. One common use is MAC filtering, where network administrators can allow or deny specific devices access to a Wi-Fi network based on their unique address. This provides an additional layer of security. They are also used for static IP address assignment, ensuring a device always receives the same IP address, which is useful for servers or network printers. Furthermore, MAC addresses help in tracking device activity on a network. A significant development in recent years is MAC address randomization, a privacy feature implemented in many modern operating systems. When enabled, your device uses a different, random MAC address when connecting to different Wi-Fi networks. This makes it much more difficult for third parties to track your device's location and activity across various networks over time. While beneficial for privacy, sometimes you might need to disable it for specific network functionalities, such as MAC filtering on your home router.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.